Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with admin access. That's essential. Once you have it, open Start and type CMD, then Run as administrator. This gives you permission to query stored profiles. Make sure you're on the Windows account that saved the Wi-Fi or an admin user. Once done, list saved wireless profiles to identify the exact network name you need. This avoids mistakes later when you reveal the password. Next, list profiles with Netch WLAN show profiles. That shows the exact SSID names Windows stores. Pick the target SSID and run Netch WLAN show profile name equals SSID key equals clear. Make sure to include quotes if the name has spaces. When the output appears, scan the security settings section for key content. That line displays the Wi-Fi password in plain text. You now know how and why the command reveals the stored key versus guessing or resetting the route. Finally, copy the key content into a secure place like a password manager. Do not share it casually. If you prefer a GUI route, open Network and Sharing Center, click the Wi-Fi name, Wireless Properties, Security tab, then Show Characters. This requires admin too. If you can't find the profile or see no key, run Netch WLAN show interfaces to confirm your current SSID and connectivity. If you lack admin rights, request them or use an account with permission to reveal saved keys.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.